Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now let's tap on it, and here we have to enter the version. Now let's find the build number, which should appear at the very top of the list, and all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you see the information that you're in a developer mode. So right now we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to enter the system. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the developer options, so let's tap, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So we've got a lot of options to personalize, and all you have to do in order to turn on the feature, for example, is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Let me, for example, show the pointer location because you can immediately see the difference and that it is turned on. So if you would like to turn it off, the same situation, just tap on the switcher on it. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top on this blue section, and as you can see, most of the options are inactive right now, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, if you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.